Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today we are going to be making a DIY heating pack. With Valentine's Day coming up, I decided to make mine into a heart shape, and I highly recommend it because it's really great for treating cramps, but you can make it into any shape you like. So let's get into it.
Print and cut out the template. You can find the template for free on our website. Like I said before, you can make this into any shape, but I would recommend it to be about a square foot, and you need 2 pieces that are identical to each other. Trace and cut out 2 pieces using the template. And I want to take a moment to stress that you need to use 100% cotton fabric and thread. Even then, you still need to be careful about what fabric you are using, because if there is printing on it, that's not going to work. So look for 100% yarn-dyed cotton. When in doubt, the Robert Kaufman gingham fabrics that I am using are perfect for this project, and we carry a bunch of colors, so go check those out on OFS. Only sew the areas indicated on the template for this first round of sewing. Sew the pieces with right sides together. If you are using your own template, make sure that you leave a large enough opening to fill your heat pack with rice. Don't forget to sew the little V shape right at the top of the heart. Sewing here is going to make it a lot easier to close up your heart when the time comes. Flip your project right side out and press the seams. I'm also going to press the seams of the opening as well, so they match the rest of the project. This is going to be really helpful when you go to close the heat pack, so don't skip this step. Mark grid lines that will make up your channels so you know where to sew after the fact. To begin with, straight stitch along the vertical lines. Channels are going to be really important with this project because once you are manipulating the pack, you don't want all the rice to fall to one side. The rice is what holds the heat, so you want it to be evenly dispersed. Fill the channels with rice a little bit at a time. Once you hit the horizontal line on your grid, stop. Make sure that the rice is packed pretty tightly and pin along the horizontal line. The more you pin, the easier it's going to be to sew. Use a zipper foot to get as close to the rice as possible. To get the rice into the channels, you can use a funnel. If you don't have one, that's totally fine. I didn't. I rolled up the template and taped it in place and made my own. Repeat the process of filling the channels up to the next line, pinning, and then sewing until you reach the top of your heat pack. For me, the last section was a little bit smaller than the rest. You're going to want to fill this section as much as you can and then sew the opening closed using an invisible stitch. If you have never sewn an invisible stitch, or you just need a little refresher, I'm going to link that tutorial above and in the description box down below. Pop the heating pack in the microwave for 30-second increments at a time. Check it in between so you find the right temperature for you.
And now your heating pack is complete. Unfortunately, these packs are not washable because you don't want to get the rice wet, but if you are concerned about that, you could always make a cover that is about the same size as your heating pack and wash that separately. Thank you guys so much for watching this OFS project. If you're still here, like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more crafting tutorials, tips, and tricks, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
The materials you will need for this project are a 100% cotton fabric, 100% cotton thread, the template, which you can find for free on our website, rice, and basic sewing supplies.